Okay, so this is the way how to test to see if your solar panel's working without an ammeter. Well, I mean multimeter. But, yeah. So here's a solar panel, and what I've got is a computer fan, and you might be able to see it. There's a black and white wire. Well, it's not actually black and white, but casing, and it's the same for the power and here. So I've cut off the plug thing at the end because I don't really need it. And then I've attached it to the 2 pins. Well, not attached it, but just made sure they touch the 2 pins with the red and black, so you can see they go over to there. And then if you've got low sunlight, you should see the LEDs will turn on, and if you've got quite a lot of sunlight, then the fan will begin to turn around. This is a 20 watt solar panel, and yeah, this turns. You might be able to see the sun's just gone behind the cloud, or the cloud's moved in the way, but it's still turning. The solar panel output is like around 24 volts, but only at like 0.7 amps. So I don't think it's really going to damage the fan either. They're made for 12 volts, but yeah, they're quite strong, so it should be okay. So yeah, that's how to test your solar panel without a multimeter.